Hello everyone, welcome back to the Crazy Cat Lady here, coming right back at you. My name is Beth Carrera and I'm the Crazy Cat Lady. So guess what I have for you today? I have the June's Beauty Box. Love, love, love. So let's go peek in here. So I hope everybody's having a great day today. I hope you are enjoying this great weather. It's summertime and it's nice here in Connecticut. I love it. And guess what? Summer. Summer of love. This is how it's packaged. Really, really pretty. And you get your pamphlet. And tells you everything that's in here. We'll go over this later. And you get a coupon, $25 off a purchase of $60. So every time you get your beauty box, you get a discount. So let's see what's in here. Ooh, look at how cute this is packaged. Look at. And it also has the biodegradable packing peanuts like I showed you in my other video. Whoop! This came flying out. Okay. So this is so cute. What is this? This is adorable. Oh, it's a tote. Look at how cute. It's a little summertime tote. Love, love, love. That is so cute. Oh, I love that. It's very summery. Ooh, love that. So cute. And let's see what's this. This is so cute. Let's see what this is about. Oh, this is like a little nail set. Look at how cute. And I will be putting my link down below if you want to get your box. Crazy thing is, if you, okay, it's $60 for, you know, customers and stuff. But if you become an advisor and want to do this as a business, the kits are still $59. I just have to throw that out to you. You get a kit full of goodies, full-size products in the kit, and it is only $59 for it to have your own business. You know, do it as a side gig. Right now I'm doing it to make extra money, to pay off my credit card bills, and then eventually do this full-time. And definitely look into it. I will put my link down, and you could it'll say like join and everything. It's all on the same website. So if you want to join my group, definitely join. And I'm on Facebook. I'll put my Facebook link down and check out all the before and afters and everything. It's amazing. The group is amazing, ladies and gentlemen, because there's a couple of gentlemen in the group. It is amazing. A lot of fun people. We're having a blast. They are actually having a I call it a retreat, but a conference in October from the 1st to the 4th in Dallas, Texas. For me, I don't think I'm going to be going, only because I have to travel on a plane, and I still don't feel comfortable doing that with the whole COVID. And you know, they say they're kind of predicting it'll be a second wave around that area, November, maybe October. So I don't want to be close. And they're saying now the airlines are stating that people are, they're going to full capacity. So that's even worse. So I don't think this year I'm going, but definitely next year. And it's really, really pretty. It's an awesome company. It's ground floor. I mean, I didn't come on here to run and rave about joining the company, but I just had to put it out there because, and then you get this amazing box for $45 as an advisor. So definitely worth the money. This is over $200 worth of products. for 45 bucks when you're an advisor. So just click it if you're interested in joining my group. Comment below, ask me some questions, or go to my Facebook and friend me, or PM me, message me, private message me, and ask any questions whatsoever. But I will love you to be part of my group. I have a lot of amazing ladies in my group, so I would love you to join. And I'm telling you, I'm expanding this nationwide. I want not just my close friends or my close Facebook friends. I want everybody to have a great opportunity to these products. And my face, my skin and everything it's been amazing. I mean, my skin texture, my brightness of my skin, the rosacea's fading. These products are just absolutely amazing. Okay, I'm sorry, I just love this company, and it's just really amazing. So carry on to our unboxing. We got a package full of goodies. Okay, so what I love about this is that you get look at all this, drama free. Hey, I needed one of these. This is a full-size drama-free refill to put inside of your glass bottle. And what's another thing amazing about this company is that you can buy the glass bottle, you know, a nice glass bottle. This is drama-free, and you just buy the refills. And every refill that you buy plants a tree. And it says, thank you for joining us in reducing landfill waste and reserving deforestation of the planet through our Plant a Tree with every refill purchase innovative. So definitely a great thing. It's conserves the landfill. Like these are biodegradable peanuts. They melt in water, so they're not going to be in the landfill forever. So that's what you get, a full size. That's a full size, okay? Ooh, you get a baby calm trial. This is amazing too, for if you have sunburn or anything, it calms it down. Oh, this is, okay, so this is going to be one of the new products. Body Shimmer Outer Glow. So every time, another thing that when you buy this box, every time you get it, you get a couple of new items that are going to be new to us. So you will be the first ones to try it out before it hits our website. So Outer Glow. Okay. I'm just curious on what this is. I'm going to have to read up on it. You get Outer Glow. This is a trial size crystal ball. This is a great exfoliator. A couple of times a week. Alright, and what is this? Ooh, this is a pretty color. This is Far Out. I think this might be a new color. I'm going to have to read up on it. This is so pretty. Loving. I love lip glosses. Ah. Oh my god, I love this. Definitely love it. Love it. I think that's gonna be my newfound favorite. And I think we're another and they're wrapped really good. Nail polish. If I can get it open. Alright. Oh, I don't know. What is this? Lip and cheek tint. Ooh, interesting. I thought it was nail polish. It's actually lip and cheek tint. Oh my god. This is really wrapped good. Okay, open it. Okay. Alright. Ooh, interesting. It looks like blood. This is interesting. Honestly, I don't want to spill anything. So let's see. Oh, it's even in... It's like, it looks like a freaking nail polish. interesting. I'm not gonna put it on because I don't want to make a mess with it. So let me read a little about these products because that is it for the box. There's nothing else in there. Okay. Lip and cheek. This is a new product alert. We are so excited that you are one of the first to ever try our lip and cheek tint. We love an all-natural look of beauty, and this new crush of yours is soon to become part of your daily routine. Swipe it onto your lips and rub them together to put the perfect amount of natural looking color onto your kisser. Don't dot it a few times on the apple of your cheeks and blend it right away with your fingertips for a perfectly blushing appearance. So this is a new product alert. See, you get new products in these boxes and we're the first ones to try it. Really, really cool. Lip Glisten, which is this one. This super groovy brand new color is gorgeous, alone and stunning, worn over lipstick, which is cool purple dew and silver white metallic shimmer. This will become one of your favorites. It is a temporary packaging and will include a light and a mirror when it becomes available to purchase. So this is just not the original. It will have a light and a mirror on it. I do love it. Outer Glow. New and improved. So I guess they had this. I didn't even know that. I thought it was a new product. Shimmer, shine, and glow all over this summer. We have improved our formula to include vitamins A, D, and C, and E. So it's not only beautiful, but it's also healthy for your skin. We will love to bronze the color in golden shimmer, and now it comes in a convenient tube for easy everywhere application. So this is, I guess, not a travel, but a regular size. And then the Drama Free helps your skin to repair itself. The combination of sobo beta-glucans and superside dismuse makes this repair serum great for anti-aging, as it helps activate liposomes for collagen production, but also perfect for scarring, skin issues such as eczema, paralysis, rosacea, and even sunburn. And yippee, since you receive a refill, you help plant a tree. I love this from my rosacea. Baby Calm is a travel size. Ultra hydrating mask that is amazing for your face to calm and smooth redness and relieve dryness. Apply to skin, wait 15 minutes, and remove with cool water or cloth. You can also use to soothe and dry sunburn skin. This is awesome. I use this too every so often to hydrate my skin, especially in the summer. You gotta hydrate your skin, definitely. And this is a manicure set. This is on-the-go manicure set is a must-have in every woman's bag. Keep it in your travel bag or pack it in your purse. You never know when you might need to have a hangnail or a chip. It's true. So true. And this summer tote, we take pride in providing you with the most eco-friendly products and tools we possibly can. This cute canvas summer tote is absolutely perfect for a beach day or a trip to the farmer's market. And you get a 25% code, which is here. We have included a coupon code for $25 of any order over $60. Your code could be found on the back of this brochure. And I'll be definitely using this code for my refill products. So, as a recap, you get all of these goodies for $60. If you become a consultant or advisor, they call it, you will get it for $45. And if you definitely want to join my team, comment below or go down. I'll give you the link to my website and you can join, and I will you can friend me on Facebook and PM me too on Messenger. So I'll leave the links below, and look at all these fun oh, I forgot one. Fun products you get. It's really worth the money because I love these. And as a advisor, what I like to do with these is I give them out as samples so people can try them. And I put my business card. So definitely for me it's a win-win because I will give them out as gifts. That's what I usually do. So with that said, I end this video today, and I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of my beauty box. And definitely hit me up if you're interested to join my team. It's only $59, and you get full-size products in your kit, and you get a business, and you get up to 25 to 55 in commissions. Everything is new. This is a ground floor company, I have to say, and everything we're learning as we go with this. And definitely, I love all the products. I know you will too. So, as that, I'll leave it as that, and I'll put my links down. I love you all, and thank you so much for joining me on this unboxing today. And have an awesome day. God bless, and hit that like button, subscribe, notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one.